Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to unbox these Unistar jungle boots. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Comes in this beautiful blue box, as you can see, Army Times jungle boot, and this is totally made in India. There is also a sling bag. The boots come in it. The shoe looks very big and strong, but it's also very light. Looks great in this military green color. The sole is also a very grippy rubber sole. The shoe is totally sewn together, as you can see. Protects from dust, insect, and also little amount of water. The tip of the shoe is hard and protective. This is the back of the shoe, as you can see. As you can see, the inside of the shoe is a sweat kind of material. It keeps your feet very warm. I can say in this price point of 990 rupees, these shoes are superb quality. You can easily use these boots for hiking, trekking, or riding a motorcycle. If you compare this with Quechua, Woodland, or Wildcraft boots, these are much more value for money. The link of this product is given in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video.